Well, it has been quite the day for Whitehall City Councilman Gerald Dixon. This morning, he appeared in court on sex crime charges that police say date back nearly 30 years.
Then, after being released on bond, he was sworn in this evening after winning re-election last month. Dixon was arrested last night at his house and spent the night in jail. But tonight, he remains on City Council while the investigation continues. 10 TV's Carly Dion spoke with him before tonight's swearing-in ceremony. Carly, what did he have to say?
Well, Yolanda, Jeff, although Dixon initially declined to comment on those allegations tonight, he did respond to some questions regarding the details of the investigation.
I am making no comments based on that. None.
Whitehall City Council member Gerald Dixon declining to comment on allegations of sexual misconduct with minors. Dixon was released from jail on Tuesday on his own recognizance after a judge expressed frustration at the few details provided for her to set a bond amount. But a number of new details were released in a news conference Tuesday morning.
I won't give you explicit details of things that were paid for, acts that were paid for. They're quite disgusting.
Whitehall Police Chief Mike Crispin says the multi-state investigation began when allegations were brought to his department in 2020 and 2021. Dixon is accused of engaging in inappropriate conduct with juvenile males. Crispin says several people disclosed interactions and behaviors leading to the belief they were being groomed for sexual exploitation.
To date, we have interviewed 8 individuals connected to the investigations with age of initiation of about 14 years old.
Where would the evidence of 14-year-olds have come from and people that they say have come forward about these allegations? Where would that have come from?
I don't know. I don't know who they are.
Dixon was also asked about police claiming investigators found artwork and sexual images of children in his home.
You know, I am appalled by that. It's artwork, but it has nothing to do with little kids. It has to do with being gay and the names that are called gay people. You know, I don't want to talk about it, but it's disgusting.
He was then asked who is in the images, if not children.
Me, friends, and people that volunteered it for the piece of for the art piece.
During the news conference, Whitehall Mayor Michael Bivens called for Dixon's resignation from council immediately. But now that he's been sworn in, Dixon says he plans to continue to work hard for the people of Whitehall.
I stand by the people, and they know it, and they appreciate that. And that's what I've always done.
Now, if the other council members want to remove Dixon from his position, the process is a bit complicated, but all of the council members, aside from Dixon, would have to vote unanimously to remove him. Otherwise, he would keep his seat. Live in Whitehall, Carly Dion, 10 TV News.